kuna wakaivhotera kungopinda nokuti vanodhira nechimwana chidiki chakatazamisa vomudzvinyirira kuti kana wada kutaura kuti onzi tokuuraya vamwe vanotya ubva vanyarara zvachose ndokunyarara kwamunono kwakaita mutamisa wedu uyu uri kunyaradzwa namabhinya aya kutonyaradzwa zvokutoti unotorya upenyu hwake vabereki vake vanotya handi mazvona This is Nyatsimba Mutota talking to you. I had gone through a very dangerous time after having been abducted by the regime. I hope and trust that you were actually surprised by my missing in action. It is because I was abducted. This is the ordeal, what took place. About 3-4 days ago, I saw some 4 men coming to me, and they came and tried to speak to me, and suddenly one of them used a pistol to gas me. That pistol is the one that can be used to gas people. And then I was gassed. After being gassed in the eyes, I fell down. Suddenly, I could feel that they were lifting me, and they lifted me and put me in a vehicle. I could hear and feel that the vehicle was moving for a very long time. And then I went there with them. They started to blindfold me, put some sellotapes and everything around my head, covering the eyes. And after that, they put me through a very long time of torture. Sleepless nights. I could not sleep. I didn't see any day that I was asleep. I was being tortured. The torture was mainly to do with failing me to sleep, questioning me a lot, and demanding that I must leave completely anything to do with politics, and threatening me that if I try again, I will be killed. And I could feel that in the area where I was, it was there was dead silence, and I could feel that it was in a floor where I had no shoes, asked to get there, and there was some kind of electric shocking coming from the background. I could feel it, highly feeling it. Then this is what happened to me for a long, long time. Then we went, I was taken from there, and I was then released in a very thick forest. I could feel that it's a forest because I was still blindfolded. Then I could feel that it's a forest because of the birds that were chirping in that forest and the sounds of animals. Then they loosened the blindfolding and left me gassed. I don't know whether it was gassing or I was actually injected with dangerous chemicals. Then it was in a very thick forest, which I didn't know. So I could hear from a very long distance overnight some engines actually running. Then I could also see at night, because I was now alone in the forest, hungry and having eaten nothing. I could see the lights of vehicles from a distance, big, long distance. You could see flashes of vehicles moving. I started moving towards that area where I could see the lights. You see, where I was seeing the lights, I I just made sure that I marked overnight to say the light is seen in that direction. I never changed direction. I walked and walked and walked and walked for about 2 days walking. I was hungry to the extent that whenever I came across little things like mice and other things, I could actually try to use stones to kill them so that I could eat. If I find a nest of birds with little birds, I could eat raw. Any eggs from any nest, I could eat. Then I had to pass, it's a very serious ordeal. I had to pass through heads of animals like elephants. You see, when elephants look at you and find that you are helpless, you are not like someone who is eager to attack them, they let you go. And I was very lucky to pass through heads of elephants going towards where I could find the some roads of some sort, until I reached a third road, you see. And then I started moving and seeing the directions from the road. It was actually near Gonarojo. And I could tell that I was thrown in Gonarojo. I moved out. Then I went to some families around whom I met and told my ordeal. They helped me with some money for bus fare to travel back to my home. I'm fighting this battle from the front. I'm not fearing nothing. I was tortured, and I was told that the person you must support is Chimama. I don't know Chimama. I've never heard about that person who is called Chimama. You see, they only showed me a picture. It was torturous. And now I'm back. I'm not going to yield in. If I were to die for Zimbabwe, I am prepared to die. I am there to emancipate the country, supporting Geza, supporting Nyoka Mabunu, supporting Comrade Chiwenga. You see? So, fellow Zimbabweans, this is the time that we must never be divided. Let's work together. I can see these people are using these tactics to divide us, silence some of us, and use some of us to divide each other and contradict each other. In the process, we are then divided. We are not going to form a formidable force to remove the regime. If I were to die because of saying the regime must move out, I am prepared. Look, the Lord died, but he conquered death. I believe that the time is very near that we are going to conquer. I have a message for our commander, Comrade Geza, that let's not use much of the words with the regime because they counter. So what we must do now is to surprise them. Let's do things from my angle. I really support that we must do something above board, something legal. But we must do something meaningful to remove this regime. This is a very ruthless regime. I could hear that Pastor Tafman Messiah was killed. And I was always contemplating that probably I was going to die there. Because most of the things were happening when I was drowsy and some like somebody mad. You see? So the more we allow people to come in and divide us, the weaker we become. Let's have a coordinated approach where we must have coordinators coordinating all of us, and we must actually give each other numbers for communication. Yes, we must have numbers for communication so that numbers which which must never be given to all and sundry, because some people can trade us through those numbers. We must use tried and tested cadres. Even some of our, what do we call this, social media champions, I want them to stay careful, you see? So when they trapped me, I had left my phone. They didn't do nothing with my phone, nothing. So I had a small phone that I had with me in my pocket. There was nothing from Mbudzi that could actually be tapped. Nothing. No message, no nothing. So, brothers and sisters, fellow Zimbabweans, let's be, careful about how we are going to fight this regime. Because the regime is determined to wipe us away. And the moment we start fighting for little things like posts and other things, we become very weak. To our leaders, I say, those who want to fight for posts must never get a post. Let's fight for freedom of Zimbabwe. Posts will come. When the comrades were in the Bundu fighting for Zimbabwe, they never fought for posts. Never. They experienced everything, and we experienced everything in the war. Every kind of torture, we experienced it. But we remained bound together by certain ethics. We don't want traitors. We don't want them. Yes, I know that when I was caught, someone had traited me, So let's be careful, and also be careful about our comrade Chiwenga. We need him, we love him, we must not jeopardize him. But at the same time, we must fight a formidable fight in order to take back our country from the Ganandas. I must never be silenced by Gananda, not me. When I came back, I bought a pistol right now, and anyone who tries to dare to come close to me, I will shoot. One of the people who did that to me, I managed to have a picture, because he had phoned me. You see, when they trapped me, I managed also to pick a picture, and I'm going to send a picture. I'm going to send it to Zimbabwe, so that you can see the person. Aluta continua. Let's hear as much as possible from Comrade Geza. Let's follow Comrade Geza. It's a high time that people who have gone through their terms must rest, not to try and perpetuate theft. No, we can't perpetuate theft in a country like Zimbabwe. There are so many level-headed people in Zimbabwe. People who have never been to prison, like Chamisa has never been to prison. Chiwenga has never been to prison. But look, those people who call themselves Mabanditi, people who have been to prison and put on a death toll, you see, they are now troubling the country and trying to silence people through this kind of life where everybody must be killed if they are saying the truth. No, this country is tired of working with people who always want to use an advantage of guns against others, silencing others because of torture, silencing others because of the guns that you are privileged to have now. You see, you cannot silence us that way. We are also sons and daughters of Zimbabwe. We cannot tolerate a situation where the war power of the country is placed in one family. No. We must share these things. If Mnangagwa wants to be understood by us, by Zimbabwe, some of these posts must never be given to one family and relatives. We know each other in Zimbabwe. We voted for him some other time because we knew and we were trusting that he was going to do things in a fair way. We know each other. We know him. His family, we know. His relatives, we know them. He cannot say the army commander is the brother. And then another person below the army commander is now a major. Is now filtering towards the army commander. So that one family has got power to silence others. All our money is in the hands of one family. If it is stolen, where do we go? Mr. Mnangagwa, please stop this shenanigans. We want to be at peace with you. We love you if you are good. But ukada kushandisa chibhanditi chekwakabenga wakasungwa kuya uko. Uchida kuurawa zviya usazikanganwa. Hatizowirirani ba. Nyika yauri kutonga haisi yako. Inyika yavanhu. Nyika iyi ndeyevanhu, haisi yangu, haisi yako. Ndeyevanhu. Ngatiwirirane. Tiite zvinhu zvakanaka. Kwete kuisa zvinhu zvese mumba mako. Ufumi hwenyika hwose hutoshandiswa from your house. Kubva kupirike farm ndokutoitirwa mamitingi enyika. Aiwa takagadzira maofisi wanu. Tikakupa maofisi kuti business rese renyika riitirwa maofisi atakakupa. Iwo tora pirika farm hakuna ofisi yenyika kuya. Kumba kwako. Handiti. Haungatori maopposition uchida nawo kupirika farm uko. Uchida kundoma bribe kuti anyarare zvinhu zvatinenge tiona. Iye zvino maopposition acho taakudza community kuti any opposition member who is supportive of the regime must be called out abreco. Kana kuti community totoita ningirikiri demo inenge tichiita na MP kuti abvepo. And then ma elections atiitiba nokuti tinobirwa hatimboiti takushandisa zvatinoziva zvinoita kuti tiwane change. Pamusoro pezvo hurumende iyi yakavapo nechibhinya haina kuvhoterwa, hakuna wakaivhotera. Kuna wakaivhotera kungopinda nokuti vanodhira nechimwana chidiki chakatazamisa vomudzvinyirira kuti kana wada kutaura tonzi tokuuraya. Vamwe vanotya ubva vanyarara zvachose. Ndokunyarara kwamunono kwakaita mutamisa wedu uyu uri kunyaradzwa namabhinya aya, kutonyaradzwa zvokutoti unotorya upenyu hwake. Vabereki vake vanotya. Handi mazona. Saka iso ngatirega kuti amire oga. Ngatinzwa weti yenyika yeZimbabwe iri kumashure kwake tichimusapota mwana wedu unonzamisa. Saka zvokutya haiwa ngatirege. Wona zvakatiwa Mugabe paya akaona vanhu vaita sechiri mumastreets akabva angozorizaina oga. Kana uya asingadi kubva achida kuti patoda kuti tochimuita impeachment ndo paanoda kuisawo agenda yake kuti toda kuti tivandudze constitution. Ngatimubvisa habatsiri. Tese titerere zvinotaurwa naComrade Geza, tese titerere zvinotaurwa naComrade Nyoko yamabhunu navamwe vakawanda vanosapota vari musocial media ava. Mukaona tisina vanhu vesocial media ava hatina kana communication, hatina kana takaitwa inonzi divide and rule and silence forever. And nyika ino yatova property yomunhu anonzi Mnangagwa. Izvozvo ndo zvatisingadi. I stand tall saying izvozvo ini handizvidini. I told him that I can be a better president than him. I'm not fighting for a post of president. I don't have a problem if Chamisa got a president, kana Chiwenga got a president, and the other kind of problem. Total support as long as there is change. Ngatireke kufungira kuti hatingazodzokorera zvakaita 2017 zviya. Zviri nani kumbobva pane chimwe chinhano chinda pane chimwe chinhano. Kana azoramba achinetsa tomubvisa futi kubva pachinhano ichocho unenge avapo iyeye. Iye Chiwenga totomudza izvozvi kuti ukada kuita zvinoronda tsimba ukuronda zvinoita nouyu uchizama dzako dzega muzvigaro tinokubvisa. Hatizonyengereri, tinobva tabvisa. Toda mutongi anotonga zviri fair, atiziva kuti ari kubvawo kana nguva yake yakwana, nokuti takawanda munyika vakarwa hondo iyi. Tinodawo kutonga, toda kutapirirwa nokurya. Hausi wewe wega.